Hello everyone. I know I'm soft spoken, but I'm keeping my voice just a little bit lower today because my grandbaby's back there sleeping. So what I'm going to make for supper tonight is a meatloaf. This recipe was given to me by my precious aunt. She always made the best meatloaf ever. And when she showed me this recipe when I was younger, I've just always made it this way, and it is so good. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, and hopefully I'll get through this before she wakes up. I've got 2 pounds of ground turkey. Now you can use ground beef, but I am allergic to beef, so I have to use ground turkey. If you wanna use beef, just follow along with me. You can use the same recipe. Then I'm going to take a pack of saltine crackers, and I've already got a pack opened, just the whole sleeve. If you're watching your sodium, you can use unsalted saltine crackers. These are actually whole grain. My husband and I really like whole grain. I'm gonna put 1 egg in here, half of a bell pepper diced, 1 small onion, 1/3 to a 1/2 cup of ketchup, I'm guessing, about 3 tablespoons of milk. If you're using ground turkey, go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. This actually makes the turkey taste a little bit better. If you're using ground beef, you don't have to add this. Go ahead and get your hands in there and start mixing that together. Let's wash our hands. Today I'm gonna try something a little different. I have seen where they put cheese in meatloaf, and I really want to try that. Add half of my meatloaf into this baking dish. Press that really firmly. If you've got a small glass bowl, just make a well in here with that bowl. Let's wash our hands so we can open that cheese. I'm gonna use mozzarella cheese. You use whatever cheese you like. You could even use those little cheese sticks. I'm gonna get as much cheese as I can in there. Perfect. Take the other half, lay it on top, and press down. And I'm not through yet. Now let me show you why I put it in this one first. Voila! There's my tip on how to make your meatloaf look absolutely perfect. Just use a bread pan or a baking dish for a mold. And here is what my aunt told me a long time ago. Once you put it in there, just add a little bit of water. We are going to put this in the oven on 350 for 1 hour. After an hour, just pull this out of the oven. Drain that water off. Baste it with ketchup. Stick it back in the oven on broil for maybe up to 5 minutes or so. And there it is. There's my meatloaf. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening.